Hi community, I've been asked what is the benefit in revisiting Reel 1 again? Well, the very first time that you turned up to Reel 1, your nervous system would have been at a high state, you would have had anxiousness, you would have been apprehensive, you would have been contracted, and you're definitely going into the unknown. So, you're very cautious, and what happens is our learning capacity is very limited. And, for example, when you learn how to drive a car for the very first time, you're the same. You're anxious, you're nervous, you're contracted, and you're just trying to function just with a few things to make it through driving a car. Well, it's the same thing when you turn up to Reel 1. It's your very first time. Reel 1 is a very full-on workshop, and you can only learn so much, and generally you learn about 20%. That's your capacity to absorb and grow and transform. And remember that you're unbecoming, you're growing, you're discovering, and you are at a place where you're at your peak, trying to grow as much as you can. And that is just life. So I use this incredible opportunity to revisit one, and there's the other 80%. And the reason why you get the other 80% is because you're more awake, you're much more relaxed, you know what you're in for, and you're consciously present. You're here, you're not preoccupied. So take advantage of this one-off opportunity for 2023. This is like we've only got Reel Woman and Reel Man a matter of weeks away. This is a one-off bargain price where you take full advantage of this incredible offer that is only happening in the next Reel Ones for 2023, and make this work for you.